If there was an Olympic event that involved trying to fit as many objects into a small space as quickly as possible, women would have it in the bag. We're not being sexist. Please don't take it personally. What could today's product be? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Find Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. So what product are we reviewing today? It's the Michael Kors Women's Jet Set Travel Large Chain Shoulder Bag. Ever since the invention of the pocket, women have been jealous of our ability to store a large number of items. It's led to a lot of unfair cargo shorts criticism and some pretty awful name-calling. So thankfully, the handbag was invented, giving women everywhere the chance to carry their pockets on the outside. The Jet Set bag from Michael Kors is a little more than just a handbag, though. The bag itself is made out of PVC, while the shoulder straps are a combination of gold-painted chain and double leather. Exterior side pockets allow you to store small items without having to open the main zipper. Inside the bag, underneath the main zipper, you'll find 4 slip pockets and another zippered pocket, great for coins, bobby pins, and other small items. That's a hell of a lot more storage than Matt's got in those cargo pants. So, what do we like about the Michael Kors Women's Jet Set Travel Large Chain Shoulder Bag? For obvious reasons, the amount of storage is a big plus. The extra compartments means you can carry and store different types of items without the mixing, but it's also the feel. Other reviewers have told us the extra length on the strap is way more comfortable than a traditional handbag. And in my limited handbag experience, I'd have to agree. So, what's the downside? The PVC of the bag can be quite stiff and rigid. And if it's shipped a little carelessly, it can arrive with a crease that takes a while to fade away. While some reviewers have complained of breaking chains and faulty zippers, there's only a handful, and they seem to be the unlucky ones. So, what's the verdict? Let's be honest, it's pretty hard to stuff up a handbag. As long as it's durable, attractive, and does its one and only job of holding stuff, it ticks every box for us. The plasticky feel of the PVC might bother a few, but most people prefer that the bag will sit upright when you put it down and not collapse on itself. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. They'll get 5 when Michael Kors starts making cargo shorts. For now, we're sticking with our cargo shorts. Now, as we do on this channel, it's time to give the Michael Kors Women's Jet Set Travel Large Chain Shoulder Bag away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as always, are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention. But just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.